Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I'm in my journey of making DIY multi-tools. In the past, I made this one where you can laser cut materials and make a folding pliers with various implements, and some of them can be made of plastic, such as this holder for a blade. More recently, I'm making these pivot pliers that have only one pivot, but for any multi-tools that has many implements, you need locks. So today I've been experimenting with a locking system where we use a spring and everything else is flat plates that could be laser cut, for example. So the way it works is you have your handles and you have holes for tabs, and then you have other flat parts that go into those tabs. So they have these tabs that go into the holes, into the slots. So that way you can build kind of a complex mechanism where you can put the spring between those parts. And then the way the lock works is this can move back and forth, and the tool has a bit of a profile. So when you open it, it moves the lock, and then when it's fully open, the spring will push it, and then now this cannot close. Now the other thing you need is what happens if you're pushing this way. So what I had to do is to add another tab there, which is this one. This one is fixed, this one is not moving. So when you open your tools, they will touch that fixed plate and don't move in that direction. So to block the movement up, we use this top tab. To move the movement down, we use this lock tab, and then to unlock, we push it back and the tool can go back and lock. So I'm pretty happy with the result just by using a spring. So I went to Home Depot and I got this box of assorted springs, and then I found one that works, and then I got these pivots from Amazon, and I'm using a thickness here in the 3D print that is the same as the metal you can get from Sencut Sand. Like this one was thicker, but I think for the next time I'm gonna use a thinner one. So I'm pretty happy that this concept of making a lock using just flat parts seems to be working okay. That could be a thing to use in the next projects. This could be kind of like a Swiss Army knife by itself, or part of a more complex multi-tool such as this one, the pliers. For this one, I also ordered some ball detents that will make sure that you can open this when this pusher is in the right position. Anyway, that was an update of how we slowly try to develop different parts of the solution to make a DIY multi-tool. And thank you for watching.